Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey, yo.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Destiny. So today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this headband wig from UNice hair. It was super easy. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so here is how my wig came packaged. It came in the box that just has their logo on it. They also gave me two cute headbands, and they gave me like this little goodie bag with a pair of eyelashes inside, also a wig cap, which is super clutch. I love these, y'all. Like, the wig caps are clutch. But they also gave me a head tie that has their company name on it, UNice on it, and as well they gave me some little fingernails, some little nail wraps, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I am going to be dyeing this hair, and I am going to be using fabric dye. Don't judge me, okay? I did it before, and my hair came out fine. So I'm going to be using that red fabric dye just to darken the hair a little bit. I will show you guys. Okay, so here is what the hair looked like fresh out of the package. However, I didn't like the color on me, so I just wanted to make it a little bit darker because, you know, your girl, she is, you know, I'm a little bit on the brown side, so I just wanted to tone this color down just a little bit. So I used some of that red fabric dye, and I'm going to be doing basically the watercolor method. You know, I'm going to boil some water, add the color, and then I'm just going to let my hair sit in the watercolor mixture for about like 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it with cool water. I didn't like shampoo or condition or anything like that. I just, you know, rinsed the hair once I was finished. So I am going to come back once I go to install this wig. Alright, you guys, so this is what the wig looks like. It's kind of like a coppery, kind of like scissor type color. So I definitely like this way more than the original color, because for some reason I really don't like how blonde like looks on me. So this is the color, and this is what we are going to be working with. Now the wig did come with like combs and stuff on the inside, but I don't like combs in my wigs at all. Like, they take out my hair. They're easy to put in, it's easy to snap on, but trying to get a wig with some combs out is like a headache. So I just took them out, and so the only thing left is this adjustable strap right here. So I kind of feel like I kind of been doing the headband wig low-key already, because a lot of times, like, when my hair is not done, well, not my hair, but like when my wig is looking a little rusty crusty, all I do is just slap a scarf over it. Like, I tie my scarf around the, you know, like the lace part. So low-key, I kind of feel like I've been doing this headband wig for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? But I kind of like this because there's no lace, so there's no glue or anything like that. A lot of times when I would do like my own wigs and just tie the headband or like a scarf around it, sometimes like if there's glue residue on the lace still, like once you go to, like, you know, you get inside and you want to take your wig off, sometimes you'll have a little bit of glue residue on your like forehead and stuff like that. So I kind of like that this is like no lace, no nothing, because that was one of the things that was annoying. So this might turn out to be a little bit better than what I was doing, but we don't see. And I'm not really gonna do my edges because I don't naturally have baby hair, and to be completely honest, I don't really like how baby hair looks on me. So I'm gonna kind of like finesse just like my side parts, my sideburns, and that's really it. So
body killing and me see the damn crime. From a mile when me see the tan line. She a dime, can you be me sunshine? When you boom for me baby and give me some wine. Boom boom for me boom mama mama. Boom for me boom mama mama. Boom for me boom mama mama. Sexy shape on your like a sana.
I just adjusted my lighting and I zoomed in a bit, so hopefully this will look a little better on camera. Okay, so now that I got my little baby hairs and my sideburns together or whatever. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, how do y'all feel about these headband wigs? I'm not crazy about them, but I do understand like the concept of them, you know, since there is a supposed lace shortage. You know, hair companies are just trying to make sure they're able to get their money, so I can understand. But let me know how you guys feel about them.
body at my pride. No lie, no lie. For you, I just happiness me go and provide. No lie, no lie. I love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, no lie. You're flawless and you don't try. Your body and let it try.
This is how it turned out. This is what the color looks like after I colored it. Now I did use fabric dye because I didn't have any hair color. So I definitely wouldn't recommend using fabric dye on your hair, even though you can, but I just wouldn't recommend it. But the hair is still super soft. It doesn't feel any different after I colored it or anything like that. So yeah, so this is pretty much it for this install. It's super quick, super easy. Literally it only takes 5 minutes. Let me know down in the comments below, how do you feel about these headband wigs? Will you purchase one? Like, what do you think? Me personally, I probably wouldn't buy a headband wig. However, I do think it is creative and it's really smart. So I definitely do like the fact that it's super easy to install, beginner friendly. It's kind of like a half wig basically. If you know, then you know back in the days what half wigs was. So it's pretty much a half wig. So it's definitely super easy to install. But let me know down in the comments below, what do you think? And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.